We are at the office complex that I'm always at for the HVAC productions, and we're going to check out some units.
I'm at a meetup with HVAC Explorations right now. If you
go
go to his channel, you'll recognize these units.
Lennox.
Because he does come here pretty often. At least in the winter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is
Lennox
the new
Merit.
one. They replaced one of those. I actually got the one that was there defrosting. The one that used to be there. This is one of the. Look at how they replaced the fan motor. Nice.
There's some heat coming out of this one. Might have been running.
I'm wondering if it was running. You gotta feel the
2021.
lines. Yep.
That's a 2-ton?
Yeah. This one is a 2-ton.
Blind set's not cold.
Why should it have been running in heat mode?
Yeah, no. I mean, it's cool enough to where that could possibly happen, but it's also warm enough for the air conditioning to be on.
Notice how Lennox does not paint the base pans. That's pure metal. That's just
They also don't use suction accumulators.
Yep.
Or does this one have one?
2000.
No. It almost looks like it does.
14 series.
I don't think it does.
That's these two.
More to see. There's a cat over there by that Lennox Merit.
Anyways,
He's walking over towards the Goodman.
Here.
Speaking of Lennox,
One right here.
we've got an older Merit.
3-ton. 4-blade. It's got the double layer coils.
Oh yeah.
A new motor too. This is a 3-ton 2003.
These older units always
10
seem to
series.
have hack jobs.
Most of the motors on them have been replaced in here.
This one doesn't even look that new.
One of them has a, which we're actually going to get to in a few minutes, it has a blower motor in it. You're going to get your data?
Yeah. All these older Merits are from 2003. So I'm probably not gonna get the data on every single one of them.
Has it been running?
Doubt it.
Doesn't feel like it. Although, I mean...
If it's warm, that's probably because of the sun. Or no, there's no sun,
is
but
no sun.
radiation
What
or
sun?
something.
What sun? Moving on. So right here, there's a couple Merits. 2-ton.
2 more tiny Merits.
This is the one that I got defrosting in 2018. It's got the blower motor in it. Okay, that's definitely been running.
What mode?
It feels very warm.
This one does kinda as well. Getting in your way of your shot.
There's water beneath the unit.
Becomes
This
a
is the one where
compressor.
the coil shakes a lot. This unit just shakes a lot.
That might be because of the installation. That is not necessarily healthy for the unit. For those wires to be exposed. And this one does not have the wires exposed as this one does.
But does that one have a new motor? This one's got a new motor. We can keep track of how many of the units in here have new motors.
This one has a motor, which the name of it, I'm not familiar with it.
Let's see.
What's it, Rescue? I can't pronounce that.
Can't tell. It is a 2-ton 10 series.
2-ton 10 series 2003.
Yep. And there's this one. Same thing. 2-ton 10 series from 2003. Most of them are from 2003. I believe there's a couple 2002s though. This is on the other side of the building with the new 2021 Merit.
There's a couple more over there. We'll get to those in a second. I'm now using the GoPro because the storage on my phone just went full.
I got this one defrosting last winter towards the end, and the new 2021, I believe, if I remember correctly, Carrier Comfort.
Another Elite. 4 fan blades. Double air coil. Has not been running.
4-blade.
Just cleared up some storage on my phone. Another 2-ton Elite.
Merit.
Probably not able to breathe very well.
No, actually, this was a 1.5 ton from 2002. Never seen this one run before. This one got a big dent on it. Right here. That unit's all messed up.
Pretty much every unit around here is.
And then you got the 2011 Goodman.
Very similar to mine.
The way you had it, hit it to say mine.
Yes.
Copeland reset.
That's nice. Copeland reciprocating compressor. This is a 2011 3-ton. 13 sear.
Look at that baby. 2011, 2.5. Oh, I'm
Rusty
sorry,
motor.
It's a 3-ton. Yeah, it's a 3-ton. I was mistaken.
Looks like the logo used to be right there.
Here's this one. It's another 3-ton. With a new motor.
Notice how some areas on the condenser coil are rusted and others are not.
Did this just get done? I don't recall that motor being this way. I don't recall the motor being that way. I'll have to look at my pictures from last winter, but I have a feeling this might be new. Although, seeing as there's rust down in there, maybe not. It is
The rust is so strong right here that it broke up part of the condenser guard. I kept thinking there was another unit over there, but there's not. Newer Merit.
Either this one's been running in heat or cool mode or something, because there's a weird dry spot on the coil.
Probably heat mode.
I've gotten this one defrosting before. Once again,
I can't
new
tell.
motor. 2003 3-ton. That's here. Never gotten a video on this one. This is a newer one.
What kind of compressor does this one have? LG?
This is a Copeland. Wait a second. Yeah. It is a 1.5 ton 14 seer from 2018.
Lennox makes really big 1.5 and 2 tons nowadays.
That is huge for 1.5.
Also, what the heck is this?
Oh, what? I didn't realize that. They strapped it to the unit.
Oh yeah.
And it goes back here and into the wall. That's funny. But hey, it does the job.
Whatever floats your boat, I guess.
Yeah. Alright. This is the one that I missed the defrost last winter.
This past winter and the winter before.
This past. I think this was a 3-ton.
That Rheem over there might be running. I'm gonna go confirm that here in a minute.
I can't quite tell. 2-ton. The sticker is pretty. The name is pretty nice. The name is pretty.
Copeland scroll compressor.
It is a 1.5 ton.
There's the reversing valve right there. Focus, you piece of crap. There you go. Interlink motor. It's just that truck over there that's making noise. I thought it was the Rheem running.
Couple of Rheems.
I don't think anything is going to be running today. Very little, if any.
Newer Rheem. This one replaced a Rheem just like it. I think it died. Something happened to it.
What year?
It was like
The data sheet is over there. I don't.
This is the one that I got defrosted. It is a 2019 3-ton 14 series. ton.
Logo is gone.
A new
Couple more here.
20 Lennox and an older one, which once again has a new motor. This one's actually a value series.
You can see the Tecumseh logo down there.
I didn't know they had a value here. And then there's the new one right here.
Looks like it might have been running.
I got this one defrosting a few times. Brand new.
Brand new?
Pretty much. Still like a couple years old. I think it's from 2020.
Yeah, it is.
Take some photos.
Rusty bolts.
Oh yeah, those are from the old unit. When they had that 3-ton. That old.
Don't know why they didn't bother to get rid of them.
Hey, 3 bolts.
Large
That
carrier
is
comfort.
A short.
Another Lennox Merit. Love how the bushes are trimmed back to the shape of the unit.
This is a very, very small and large. It's
What's
very
the tonnage
short.
on it? Very wide, but also very short.
Look at that big reversing valve down there.
GE motor.
Of course, that is a
Copeland's roll
Copeland because
compressor.
it's an older one. I think this one was from like 2009. Yep. No, 2008. I don't think I've ever seen one this short.
This one's an 02.
That actually has the original motor.
Most all the other ones have had the motor replaced.
Yeah, most of them. Seems like a common issue on this. That's interesting.
Building number 3.
Building number 3.
This is like when they first came out with this style.
Pretty sure, yeah. Yeah, let's see. 2013, yeah. 13 SEER for 2-ton.
Guess I'll go ahead and show the data. Is there a logo?
Right there.
Oh, wait.
That's faded.
How did I not notice that?
The logo is very faded. It actually looks kind of cool. And then down
Does this
here,
one ever run?
Goodman unit. It's like 2019. I remember recording it like within weeks or days even after its installation. It's gotten dirty.
Yes, it has.
When it first got installed, I was like, does this thing have a rotary or a scroll?
It'd be nice if it had a rotary.
That'd be cool. I've never seen a Goodman with a rotary in person.
A Goodman
Well,
heat pump with a rotary.
I mean,
14 SEER.
I own a Goodman with a rotary. It's a straight cool unit though. It'd be cool to see one with a heat pump. Can we get the data?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get us some data.
Forgot what tonnage it was though. 2 carrier comforts.
Two carriers.
You can see the data sheet from here. That's 2016 2-ton, I believe. Might have been running. Look at that condensation down there.
This is the same thing. I don't know what they're working on. Alright.
Some sort of rebranded Goodman Trust.
This is a 2021. 2021.
I'm not going to bother crouching down for the data.
I'll go ahead and grab it.
Yeah,
Oh, it's on that
getting
side?
it. Yep, that's why I didn't get it. They even put the name of the unit on the disconnect box.
It is? Oh yeah. Man, they put that logo everywhere. Alright.
You got a Trane XB13
And
another Lennox Merit.
I've gotten this one defrosting a few times.
Twice.
Yep.
I think they were both fulls too.
Yeah. I like a scroll. Tried to get that one defrosting, but failed once. I actually almost had it.
You can barely see inside.
That's why there's nothing. Lennox, man.
You got a Concord and a Trane XR. Supposedly an XR14. This one's definitely been running. Whoops.
2020.
This one's got an American Standard branded Copeland scroll compressor.
American Standard. You mean Alliance?
It says American Standard on the compressor.
That's an LG rebranded. Wait, it literally says American Standard.
Yeah.
Oh wow, it does. It's got both the Trane and the American Standard logo.
Yeah, mine says it's a little bit cold. Don't know what that's about.
Concord.
2014 13 SEER 3-ton.